Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif bin Azmi.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Tamizi bin Azmi.
My name is Lutfi Hadi bin Ramzi.
So today we want to discuss our SKU3073 assignment, which is the chemistry behind the hand sanitizer. As you can see, our group consists of 3 students, which is Lutfi Hadi, Tarmizi, and me myself, Muhammad Arif bin Azmi, and we were lectured by Dr. Muhammad Saufi bin Rosmi. Hi doctor, how are you? So for the introduction,
Hi, Doctor.
we proceed to brother Lutfi Hadi bin Ramzi.
Okay, thank you, my brother Muhammad Arif. Okay, for the introduction, COVID-19 is a dangerous disease caused by a virus discovered in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. So, on February 11, 2020, the World Health Organization announced an official name for the disease, coronavirus disease 2019. CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, and D stands for disease. The virus that caused COVID-19 uh, are a large family of viruses that can infect people and many animals. To prevent the spread of germs, including COVID-19, WHO recommends washing hands with soap and water whenever possible because it reduces the amount of many types of germs and chemical on hands. So, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention do note that when it comes to preventing the spread of coronavirus, if soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% of alcohol. And indeed, that is the primary ingredient in hand sanitizer. Most hand sanitizer contain anywhere from 60% to 90% is isopropyl or ethyl alcohol mixed with water and gels like glycol and glycerin in order to prevent drying out user skin. The resulting product is typical sold in a hand gel or liquid spray. Alcohol based hand rubs take less time to use than traditional hand washing. In an 8-hour shift, an estimate 1 hour of NICU nurse time will be saved by using an alcohol-based hand rub. Throughout the 2000, hospitals around the world start the widespread practice of placing hand sanitizer pumps throughout medical facilities. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Brother Lutfi, for the explanation about the introduction. Okay, so I will proceed about the chemistry in hand sanitizer. Okay, so there are a lot of application of chemistry in our daily life actually. So they are involved in various fields, including health and also in preventing the diseases. Okay, for instance, in hand sanitizer. So obviously, it is very closely related to chemistry by looking at its main ingredient. So depending on the active ingredients, there are two type of hand sanitizer, which is the alcohol based and non-alcohol based. So in chemistry, the alcohol term is originally referred to the primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, which is it is used as a drug and the main alcohol present in alcoholic drinks. Okay, so for example, the most familiar alcohols are methanol, ethanol, propanol, and also butanol. So most alcohol are colorless liquid or solids at room temperature. Okay, next, alcohol-based hand sanitizers mostly contain alcohol, or more specifically called isopropanol, ethanol, and propanol, or a mixture of these substances. Okay, in the slide you can see the molecular structure of ethanol and also another alcohol in hand sanitizer. Furthermore, another active ingredient that is present in hand sanitizer is isopropyl alcohol. So the molecular formula for this alcohol is C3H8O. It is an alcohol with colorless and flammable. Okay. Also, there are large amounts of hand sanitizers containing emollient, but in very small percentage. It's only contain 1.45%. Okay, so the example of emollient that present in hand sanitizer is glycerol. So the chemical formula for glycerol is C3H8O3. So the last one is for the non-alcohol hand sanitizer. On the other hand, it use quaternary ammonium compound, or called as benzalkonium chloride, instead of alcohol to eliminate the bacteria. So it is the one and only active ingredient in non-alcohol non-alcohol hand sanitizer. Okay, next, Brother Arif explain about the how it works to fight against COVID-19.
Okay, thank you for my fellows brother for the nice sharing, for the great sharing. Okay, so we proceed to the how it's work. So how it's work here is how the hand sanitizer works to kill the virus. So basically, alcohols are organic compounds that are made of carbons, oxygens, and hydrogen. So alcohol kills a wider range of bacteria and viruses when the concentration exceeds 60%, according to the studies, and it's work faster as the concentration rises. According to the 2014 review, ethanol, as you can hear from Atarmizi before, ethanol is one of the alcohols that appears in the hand sanitizer. So, according to the review, ethanol is so potent that it outforms ordinary or antibacterial soaps in killing three types of disease-causing bacteria, which are Escherichia coli, Serratia marcescens, and Staphylococcus separaticus in high concentration. This disease, I mentioned, three disease, is a common and a most popular disease. A few small-scale experiments have shown that an alcohol-free hand sanitizer with benzalkonium chloride as the active ingredient at a concentration of 0.13% is equally as effective as alcohols at killing bacteria. So, hand sanitizer without alcohol, according to the CDC, may not kill as many germs and may just inhibit the growth of germs rather than eliminating them altogether. So next we proceed to the questions that are commonly asked about the hand sanitizer. So the first question is, does hand sanitizer expire? So the answer is, hand sanitizer has no expiration date. This is because hand sanitizer are controlled by the FDA. There will almost certainly be an expiration date on the container. So the next questions that commonly asked is hand sanitizer bad for you or toxic? So according to the safety data sheet from chemical supplier Sigma Altrage, alcohol is a shelf-stable substance. So, but with a continuous use, it may produce dryness or mild irritation. So using hand sanitizer repeatedly is less irritating than repeatedly washing hands with soap actually. So I want to ask you a question real quick. Would you rather have some mild skin irritation or distribute a contract an illness?
For the conclusion, if COVID-19 is spreading in your community, don't be panic. Stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, avoiding crowds, cleaning your hands, and cough into a bent elbow or tissue. I think that's all. Stay safe and thank you.